What is Scheduler123? This is a production scheduling system that is Excel-based that uses finite capacity scheduling promises to be of help when it comes to delivery services in production companies. With its help, delivery will be well planned and executed effectively. Many of us sometimes find it difficult when we interact with Excel spreadsheet. Many of you will bear me witness when I say that one mistake done in Excel will give false and give a wrong feedback of the data being handled. With the aid of a software, these mistakes will be something of the past, and the chances of making a mistake will be very minimal. You will be able to enjoy all the activities of the company when it comes to delivery. How does Scheduler123 work? This system promises to help master schedulers get to perform their activities on time. It will not only be of help when it comes to delivery, but will also make you gain trust from your customers and will also ensure you get maximum profit from the sales. What you should know about it is that it has been designed by a US-based master scheduling manager designed for 100% made-to-order manufacturing. It will prove to be of help when it comes to flexible to change and also automated information generation enabling productivity improvement. It contains a very effective and also important feature known as the what-if capacity. This feature is actually what will be effective when it comes to desperate and tight moments. When you find yourself in a situation where you cannot meet your orders on time, try this. This feature will provide a solution by identifying the most effective steps to make and ensure your delivery is on time and also successful. You are also given a chance to access and see their demo and actually come to a decision whether it will suit you. So as to get access to these services is very easy as it can be very easily located online. With such a system in the market, we should not let this chance pass away. We should take advantage of it, and for sure you will enjoy the results. There are many other such related products out there recommended by other review, but most of them have proved not to have worked. This particular product will offer all that it promises. Benefits you will get from Scheduler123. This product will also be of benefit to you in various ways. Some of the benefits include you will be in a position to get very quick responses when it comes to very urgent customer order. You will be in a position to sort the job either by job order or by the work center. There will be automatic loading to various machines by priority, and no earlier than date will take effect. It has a flexible chart that has very powerful visual control abilities. It is flexible as it also handles both weekly work time and also break time. It has a daily print production schedule to make the process very effective. With all these benefits and all that it has to offer, this product will solve all the mystery in production and delivery activities.